Renew Europe, or RE, is a new group in the European Parliament. Its priorities are
democracy, sustainability and prosperity.
Renew Europe replaces the Alliance for Liberals and Democrats in Europe.
Our group is a group in the center of the European Parliament, strongly citizens-oriented, defending values as freedom, individual rights, prosperity in Europe, sustainability in Europe, and a balanced economic and social development.
With 108 MEPs, RE is the third political force in the European Parliament. It has members from 22 EU countries and unites the Alliance of Liberals and Democrats for Europe and the European Democratic Party.
Our core values are related to democracy, rule of law, individual rights and freedom, but also European solutions to European problem, and we are also against any illiberalism or any division in Europe.